As the floors can't take no more, stuck in this groove, I'm feeling bored. Ready, steady, go. As the floors can't take no more, stuck in this groove, I'm feeling bored.
Today we are making fish stew. Us red fish. Started by putting pot on fire. After the pot is hot, and oil is added as you can see. Hot here. Hot and oil ready to see. And oil in the pot on fire. Now we need to cook for some time. As you can see here, fire. Afterward, check. Now we are going to cover it. Now you can cook. High heat. Now you to cook. High heat. When you go and prepare the fish. Today is horse mackerel. That is the fish that some call ote fish in this part of the world. Horse mackerel fish is here. Prepare the fish now. Pour water on the fish, posing fish. We need to clean up the fish, removing all the fish process. So the fish is carefully cleaned, as you can see right here. Right here, we have cleaned the fish, and then it's going to get set now for adding to the stew being cooked on fire. See it? Thorough cleaning, thorough washing of the fish. That is what's taking place right here. Okay, so the stew had been on fire for like 10 minutes now. Check it now, see it. Right, it goes on fire. See right here. Now the fish is being added to the cooked pepper pot. Observe right here. So carefully, fish, fresh fish is lowered stew, boiling stew. Carefully stirred, cover to continue cooking together for minutes, 10 minutes more, 15 minutes. Continue to cook this together. Then later on, you also cover it so that you can see right here now. After cooking for like 10 to 15 minutes more, now added salt, stew. Added salt. You're allowed to cook for some more time, 5 minutes or more. Then, before adding seasoning, add your seasoning to it also. You can now cover it and allow to cook for 10